This video is a tutorial showing you how you can use pictures and picture exchange to make choices at home. So to begin, you could use pictures for your child to make choices of what they would like to play with or do at home. So make sure you have your pictures and the corresponding objects ready. And you could start by saying, would you like the stacking toy or the ball? Again, your child may use eye pointing to make a choice, or they might reach out and tap, or even point. Once they've made a choice, oh, you want the ball? Here you go. And you can give them the ball. Moving on from this, you could use picture exchange. Now this is where your child will make the choice by actually removing the picture and giving it to you, and you give the object back. So we would say, do you want the stacking toy or the ball? Your child would then remove the picture they wanted, so if it's the ball, and give you the picture. You chose the ball. Here you go. It can be any objects your children like. It doesn't have to be the two photos shown here. You can use anything you feel motivates your child. Thank you.